Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I was going to do a YouTube live to do the unboxing of my Silhouette Cameo 4, but it came a lot later than I had anticipated it, so I was going to go ahead and do it now just by recording it, but I will still upload it to YouTube, so by the time you see it, this will be a YouTube video. All right, so this is my Silhouette Cameo 4. And the box is huge. So let's see if we can get in here. So I purchased off of Amazon and I got the bundle. So I can't remember what all is supposed to be in here, but we're going to find out together. I guess it's just too much like right for me to have gotten my scissors, right? That's what I needed. One little strand. All right. Hold on. To get out of my own way. So it's a smaller size box. In a bigger box. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me get some scissors. All right. All righty. And another box inside of another box. All right, let's get to the good stuff. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got. So congratulating me on my purchase. And whew, got little cards in here with design files and e-guides. So I guess that's the information on that. And then steps for enrollment. So you get Silhouette University 1-month membership. So that comes with the bundle. And join their groups: Brother, Silhouette Cricket, Caesar, Oracle, Precise, Swing, Design Shop, and Facebook groups. Club Silhouette, you get a 30-day membership. And they give you the information for that. And so basically this congratulations, I guess, is walking you through all the stuff that's in this with all this information. So you got the ultimate silhouette guide to the Cameo 4, getting started like a pro. So if I don't do this right, it's my own fault, right? Oh God. The ultimate silhouette beginner guide to heat transfer vinyl. Little pamphlet, and then the ultimate silhouette beginner guide to vinyl. So I pretty much know about heat transfer vinyl and vinyl. So I dropped one card. Let's see what that one says. This one says Silhouette Cameo 4 beginner class, and it tells you where to go and how to access that particular class. And now we have all the good stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. All right. I was excited when I got my Cricut, but I think I'm a little bit nervous with my Silhouette Cameo. So these are your sketch pen, the ultimate sketch pen set comes with the bundle. I'm gonna sit some of this down here so my top doesn't get too. Then I have the craft blade here. And it looks like the Cameo 4 Plus and Pro. All right. And all of our little cords and everything. Then we got the rotary blade. All right, power cord looks like it. Power cord. More silhouette information. This is the setup. We got our hook crochet. Okay. And oh God, it's a lot. All right, so looks like we got all kind of vinyl in here. So that's Oracle. And more vinyl. This is Oracle 651. That one was 641. All right. We got, I guess, cutting guides, cutting mats, and transfer tapes. And now to the good stuff, the Cameo. Oh, Lord Jesus. As big as this box was, I thought it was going to be a whole lot bigger than the Cricut Maker. Alrighty. Figure that out. All right, y'all. That seems like everything that was in here. I am going to look over everything, and then I will do, once I have an idea of what I'm supposed to be doing. I will do a video of starting it up, doing my first cut, and all that good stuff with you guys. I had some plastic right there I could barely get a hold of. But she's a beauty. My Cricut's gonna get jealous, guys. I can tell you that right now. Cricut is not gonna like this whatsoever. So I'm going to go through and read the information on starting up my Cameo. What do you guys call it? Just Silhouette, or do you say Cameo? I'm just gonna say Cameo. But yeah, I'm gonna go through all this good stuff. I won't bore you with that, but I wanted to show you all the stuff that came in the bundle and let you guys know that are already a part of the Silhouette Cameo world that I'm with you. I am with you now after many years of saying I was not going to buy one, and here I is. Now I have one with all this stuff that I don't know what to do with. So don't know what this is, but I'm gonna go through everything, like I said, figure out what's what, and when I get ready to power her up, and she's a her, but when I get ready to power Candoris up, then I will do a tutorial to walk through me starting up everything, but I don't want to mess up by not following the instructions. So y'all can see I got my work cut out for me. I don't think I was this intimidated when I did my Cricut Maker, but I feel a little intimidated right now, okay? So for those of you that have the Silhouette Cameo, you bought it, you were excited, but it's still in the box. It's time to take it out. Let's take it out together. I've taken mine out. Take yours out now. And we're going to walk through doing this together. So whatever mistakes I make, you're going to see what mistakes I make because I'm going to do it all as it comes. So I'm not going to be editing anything out. So I heard people say, that they chopped up their mat with the blade, they couldn't get it right. Whatever issues I run into, you're gonna see it. Okay. Hopefully I don't have any, but stranger things have happened. Okay. So yeah, I don't think I'll get any sleep tonight. It's 9:50 here in Dallas, Texas, and I vow to get this baby powered up and get my first cut done tonight. Don't know what I'm gonna cut. Maybe they're gonna have some ideas along with all this beginner stuff. Okay. So that's where I'm gonna start. I will share with you where I started for those of you that still have yours in the box to kind of help you out. And I will put the link in the bio or in the description on which one of the bundle sets that I got off of Amazon. I think I ordered this um, maybe like Wednesday. Wednesday, I think it was. And it came today. And so for some reason, Amazon doesn't deliver my packages to me at my home. So I have to actually go to Whole Foods and pick up my packages. And I didn't want this to end up on somebody else's door because I know they would have thought it was Christmas. And mama ain't having that. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to go through how to get started here. And I'm going to record every journey, every part of the journey. And once I get my first cut, then I'll do a YouTube live and start doing YouTube lives with you guys, which is what my journey is now, is to start doing more YouTube lives and getting to know more people and expand, my listening crew. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it. I am now a part of the Silhouette Cameo 4 family. But I still love my Cricut. In my YouTube live, one of the people had told me about a stand to order. I got the stand, but it did not work with my Cricut Maker, even though it said it was compatible with the Cricut Maker. It didn't work, so I packed that baby up and took it right back to Whole Foods, Amazon for return. So if anyone knows of um, a stand that you can get for if you have the Cricut Maker and Silhouette, then please chime in the comments and let me know which one you got, because the one I purchased was not the right one. I can tell it's a lot of tape in here, guys. But it was not the right one. All right. All right, guys, that's it. I'm excited. I'm excited and nervous, intimidated, and all the good stuff. But I can do it. I know I can. My mama taught me better. All right, guys, if you're currently in my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I want to thank you guys so much for following me via Facebook. And I know some of my Facebook members are already on their Silhouette Cameo journey, but they still love my tutorials, so they stayed a part of my group even though I was primarily Cricut. And so they're excited to see what all I can teach them now, if anything, because I'm sure they know more than I do. And then for those of you that still have yours in the box, hey, let's take it out. Mama's here with you now. If you would like to join my Facebook group, it will be linked in the description. All you have to do is click on the link, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, and agree to the Facebook group rules, and we'll get you in. And then if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, I want to apologize that I did not do a YouTube live, but it was all because I had to wait until I forgot that my timing would depend on when my my Cameo was delivered to Whole Foods. So that being said, I'm still here. I'm still sharing with you my unboxing, and I'm excited to get started. If you are currently seeing me for the first time and you want to share in this journey with me, or you want to learn about the Cricut, then hey, I'm your girl. Then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.